Hi everyone! Welcome back to Discovery. For today, I will be listening to Taylor Swift's latest album, which is The Life of a Showgirl. The Life of a Showgirl. From what I know, this album was written and recorded during yung world tour niya, diba? So let's see. Just the background pala, I am a Swiftie, but after, I think, yung last album na napakinggan ko talaga ng buo is yung Fearless. Yes. And then, Speak Now, hindi ko na siya masyadong napakinggan. And as in, medyo nag-hiatus kasi ako sa sa music, sa music industry, sa music scene. Halos wala akong pinapakinggan na um, mga songs around those times. I really had struggled those times kaya hindi ako ma-music. So, after the Fearless album, ayun nga, again, hindi na ako naka nakatutok. Hindi ko na nasubaybayan yung journey on the other albums. The most recent album that I got to listen to after nung Fearless is yung Folklore na. So, yung Jump, sobrang laki ng Jump. Again, disclosure, I am not an avid Swiftie anymore. So, possible yung mga references, I will not be able to catch it. So, I hope you guys are here to let me know kung ano ba yung mga references and mga, alam mo naman, mga Easter eggs na inilalagay niya or inilagay ni Taylor sa mga lyrics and sa music. So again, first we will be checking the fate of Ophelia. So this will be the first song, and I think this is the meron siyang music video. Okay, so ito pala yung first single of this album. Anyway, ayan. So, again, Fate of Ophelia. And for the other songs as well, again, I will be checking those out.
Okay. So first of all, nakita ko dito, parang yung, I don't know what do you call this, yung line sa YouTube is, I think this is a door, right? Pintuan. So I love it. Okay. Ano nga to? The Fate of Ophelia. Ooh.
I heard you calling on the megaphone. You wanna see me all alone.
One sec, one sec. Highest ano ba to? Okay. 1080.
As legend has it, you are quite the pyro. You light the match to watch it blow. And if you never call for me, I might have drowned in the melancholy. I swore my loyalty to me, myself, and I. Right before you lit my sky up. All that time I sat alone in my tower, you were just honing your powers. Now I can see it all. Late one night, you dug me out of my grave and
Oh
saved
my
my heart from fading.
gosh.
Ophelia.
Ooh.
100 on the land, the sea, the sky. Pledge allegiance to your hands, your team, your vibes. Don't care where the hell you've been.
Ooh.
It's about to be the sleepless night.
Oh my god. I feel like this will be a dance trend. Magiging trend to sa,
The eldest daughter
sa TikTok.
of a nobleman, Ophelia lived in fantasy. a cold bed full of scorpions. The venom stole her sanity. And if you'd never called for me, I might have lingered in purgatory. You wrap around me like a chain, a crown, a vine.
I don't know how to describe this, but ooh,
All that time I sat alone in my tower, you were just honing your powers. Now I can see it all. Late one night, you dug me out of my grave and saved my heart from the fate of Ophelia. Keep it 100 on the land, the sea, the sky. Pledge allegiance to your hands, your team, your vibes. Don't care where the hell you've been, 'cause now your mind it's about to be the sleepless night you've been dreaming of.
I love it.
Ophelia is locked inside my memory, and only you possess the key.
Ooh,
Drowning and deceived.
Taylor with Darker.
Me.
Oh my god, Taylor with Darker.
Only you possess the key.
I'm
No longer
obsessed.
drowning and deceived. All because you came for me. All that time
Oh my god.
honing your powers. Now I can see
That's lethal. Okay, I think I would need to get the concept of the fate of Ophelia. Please let me know.
You saved my heart from the fate of Ophelia.
Oh, I don't know, but this feels like, I mean, that part, nung nasa bathtub siya, it feels like, ano yung music video niya? I think it's on the Reputation album. Meron siyang ganun, di ba? Nasa bathtub siya, tapos punong-puno siya ng diamonds and jewel and everything. Alam ko sa Reputation album yun, pero hindi ko matandaan kung ano yung song. Kasi nga, hindi nga ako nakikinig ng music those times. But anyway, ano mo mafe-feel ko? I'm really excited to check out the whole album. Yung iba pang mga songs because I feel like hindi siya new sound but gusto ko yung gano'n, parang groovy ni Taylor Swift. So yeah, let me know if you do have any suggestions and please comment down below kung ano yung mga Easter eggs and kung anong context, ano bang references, sino ba si Ophelia, ano yung fate of Ophelia, at kasi parang gusto ko malaman paano siya na-save, na-save siya from what, yun yung gusto kong malaman. Kasi from the fate of Ophelia nga, di ba? I'm not sure. Siguro medyo wala lang talaga akong alam sa mga ganyang, sa mga ganyang references. So, yeah, let me know and see you again on the next reaction. Bye!